Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
So I started having a headache on Saturday. Today's Monday. And I had a headache. I took Advil on Saturday in the morning, and it kind of got a little better, but not all the way better. Then I took 2 Aleve, and it still got a little better, but didn't go away. And then I went to bed, and Sunday I woke up, and I still had the headache.
So you've been having constant headache for the last 3 days?
Yeah, and it just doesn't go away. And then finally I took Excedrin migraine yesterday, didn't work, and then finally I went to the urgent care because I'm wondering why is this not going away. They gave me a shot, and that helped. But then this morning I woke up and it's still just not as bad. I'm a little better, but just sore, like in the back of my head, my neck.
How much headaches from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room.
Like right over the weekend was like 5. Right now it's like 3 or 4, just sore here.
Okay.
Not as bad, but it's still not.
So you feel it coming from the back all the way to the front?
Kind of, yeah.
And do you feel it in your chaps, your muscle on the
sore
side?
here, and my neck and my sore like up here.
Okay.
It was in the fall. Yes.
Yeah.
And your babies were just born.
Yeah. So.
That's when it was. So I had headaches every afternoon.
Daily headaches.
Yes, and I was always taking medicine. They'd get better, but every afternoon I'd get a headache. And so
that was 4 years ago.
Yeah. And it was just so annoying. And I finally saw one of my friends was telling me and I don't think she saw you, but she said, "Oh yeah, I've done like soft tissue release." What? Like, what is that? So I was looking up people in my area, and you were there, and so I'm like, and when I started going, like even after the first treatment, I didn't get a headache for a couple days, and then after, I think I only went
a couple of treatments or something like that.
Maybe a month to you, and after that, I didn't have headaches
for
till like now.
Okay, so it's almost like 4 years. That's good.
Yeah. Good. But I improved my posture. And I improved my sleeping part, my shoulders, yes.
Let's move your neck a little bit. We should have done that before.
Better.
Do you still feel headache or it's fine? Can you extend to back, go forward?
Still a little bit sore, but I can feel like I can move now.
You move further, but you feel a little bit like this? Okay,
still a little bit, but I'm
you're gonna feel cold.
Better, yeah.
Let's put your hair on the side.
So people can have headaches that last
if they do not get treatment
for that long?
Oh, I saw a patient like had headaches for years. I personally used to have migraines for years, and I was just popping medication like candy until I get to the point this is not working. And that's what made me start to work on headache and have Propofol for headache, because I tried it all. And it has to be holistic biopsychosocial model.
Yeah.
You know, we have to work on the scar. We have to work on the scar tissue, the fascia restriction, the ergonomic, nutrition, inflammation, because headache is a very complex condition that it's not like there's no magic element.
Yeah.
You have to address all the deficits that occur that cause headache, you know. So that's when I realized I did not have migraine for the last like 5 or 6 years, you know, because I was working on my nutrition, I reduced the scar tissue, reduced the fascia, worked on my posture, had inflammation, I worked on that, the stress, I did some meditation and breathing exercises. So how you feel now?
Much better.
All right. So what do you think about the ASTR treatment?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome.
Thank goodness I've been able to come.
Yeah.
I was kind of worried last night. I was like, what's wrong?
Because you had 3 days, and
I know, and
you tried everything, and even the urgent care. I can't believe they give you a shot. It's the first time.
I know. because
Yeah.
I was thinking, what's wrong? This is
You tried everything. Yeah.
I've tried every medicine. Yeah. It's not going away.
But here's the problem with the tension headache. Tension headache medication will not gonna work because it's usually scar tissue and fascial restrictions.
Yeah.
So if you don't have mechanical force to release it, medication will you're not gonna feel the tightness until the medication wears out.
Yeah.
You know, but you have to have mechanical force to release it.
Yeah.
You know?
No,
yeah.
No, this is better. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. All right, Melissa. So this is your 5th visit. So can you give me an update about your headache? You came with the headache.
Yes. So I had around June 8th. I had a headache that lasted for like 3 days. No matter what I took, it would not go away. And I even went to the urgent care thinking, like, what's wrong with me? Like, why am I not getting better? Normally I wouldn't have a headache that lasted that long. So I came and saw you on a Monday, and immediately you pressed in here, and I just felt this huge release, like, off my head. I think it's just tension pulling on my head. And the next day I felt way better after that. The next day I was still a little sore and a little fuzzy, and then saw you Wednesday for the second visit. Second visit, okay. And after that, I haven't had any headaches.
So it's basically took 2 treatments?
I would say, yeah. Even the first one was a huge relief.
That's good, relief. Yeah.
Yes.
It's about 15 days or something like that. Yeah. So, and we had total of 5 visits. We're just working on the scar tissue and the strength and stuff like that. So, what do you think about ASTR treatment so far?
It's great. Yeah. I know 4 years ago I had headaches daily for years, and I saw you. And after like a month and a half, I haven't had headaches since then till now. Till now. I don't know what I did.
So that was like how many years you did not have headache after I treat you before?
About 4 years.
4 years, no headache after,
I mean, once in a while you get one, but I was getting them every afternoon for like 2 years.
2 years, yeah.
And I just would take Advil every day. This is like I went to other physical therapy, and so I need to get
to the root of the problem.
Yeah, so I was lucky to find you, and then you helped my daughter Carrie with the migraines.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, I'm glad that you guys doing better.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. Awesome, thank you. All right, so let's just tell me a brief history, like what happened before I saw you, like a year ago or something.
Yeah, so a year ago, I think I had slept funny because it was in the process of changing my mattress.
Okay.
And I was waking up with one back and neck pain.
Okay.
And one day I woke up and I just had a really bad headache and it wouldn't go away. So I tried taking, Advil, and then it didn't work. And then I tried Tylenol, it didn't work. And then I thought, maybe I'm getting a migraine, which I've never had before.
Okay.
And I tried like Excedrin medicine, migraine Excedrin, that didn't work. So it just wouldn't go away, and so I finally went to the urgent care.
Okay.
They gave me a shot.
They gave me a shot. Okay.
Of like anti-inflammatory. I don't know.
Cortisone or something.
Yeah, and it helped, but I still had the headache slightly, and so I went to see you the next day, and you just pressed on my back right here. Immediately, I felt like a release off my head.
How many treatments you had?
Well, that was like that one felt the best. I think I only saw you, I don't know, twice a week for a month or less.
It was a short term.
Yeah, it was pretty short. And then I saw you again. The first time I saw you was about 5 years ago, because I was getting headaches every day.
Oh, okay.
Every afternoon, headache. I didn't know why, and so I saw you at that time, I think 2 or 3 months. And since then, I haven't had headaches.
Nice, yeah. Beautiful, yeah.
So that made a huge difference. I had like knots on my head, which I didn't even know
the scar tissue.
Yeah, and I remember you working at
That's
so many
caused the headache.
knots, on my head and my neck, and I learned how to do my posture better. So, it made a huge difference.
Awesome.
Right,
so what do you
thanks.
think about ASTR treatment?
It's great, yes.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.